exercise, that is 2.1. So what is exercise 2.1? In previous video we have discussed about the examples, and we have also solved some, we have seen what the definitions of some important definitions in previous video. Now today we are going to discuss some important questions regarding exercise, that is 2.1. So let's come and join. So what is the question? Question is question number 1 is the questions, those are related to relations we are going to discuss. Question is, if A equal 1 2 3, A equal 1 2 3 and B equal 4 5 6 is here, then which of the following is relation? Then which of the following is relation from set A to B? Some questions are given, that is some points are given. Number 1 is justify your answer. A to B, justify your answer. One is the first is 1, 4 and 3, 5 and it is 3, 6. Number 2 is 1, 6 and 2, 6 and 3, 6 is here. Third one is 1, 5 3, 4 and 5, 1 and 3, 6. And fourth one is 2, 4 2, 6 3, 6 4, 2 is given. And fifth is A cross B. Okay, so what is the relations from A to B? It depends on us, that whatever we have to solve. Let's see that we have to check that what is the answer, what is not. So we are going to solve these questions. Okay, so for solving this question we have to find the relations. And how can we find? Means we have to do the Cartesian product of this. So what is the Cartesian product? We have to do the multiplication from A to B, a function defined, a relation defined R A to B. Then we can say that we have to find A cross B. So what is the A cross B? When we are saying about the A cross B, we have to say that we have to always remember that we have to use the first element from A and second element from B. So we can say that it is 1, 4, it is 1, 5, other is 1, 6, other is the 2, 4, 2, 5 and 2, 6. It is the value. Now next one is the 3, 4, 3, 5 and 3, 6. These are the values of A cross B. Now these are the values of A cross B. Now we have to find, we have to think about it, that these values are from this or not. If these values are in this, so we can say that it is a relation from A to B, otherwise it is not. So it is 1, 4, 3, 5 is here, 1, 4 is here and 3, 5 is here and 3, 6 is also, 3, 6 is here. So we can say that 1, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6. Look at here, 1, 4, 1, 4. We can write in other way. Okay, so write it here. So what we can write? We can write 1, 4 belongs to A cross B. 3, 5 belongs to A cross B, and 3, 6 belongs to A cross B. So 1 comma 4 belongs to A cross B, 3 comma 5 belongs to A cross B, and 3 comma 6 is also belongs to A cross B. So we can say that 1 comma 4, 3 comma 5 and 3 comma 6 belongs to A cross B. Okay students, so we can say that it is a subset of this because this is 1 comma 4, 3 comma 5 and 3 comma 6 is the subset of A cross B. So it is relation. So it is a relation. So we can say that it is a relation because these elements are from this. These elements are from this set A cross B. So we can say that it is relation. Otherwise not. So we have to remember that this is related to this or not. Okay. So now we are on second question, that is second part. This was the first part and now we are on second part. Second part is 1 comma 6. 1 comma 6 is here. Okay, it is belongs to A cross B. Okay, now 2 comma 6, look at here, 2 comma 6 belongs to 2 comma 6. It is also belongs to A cross B. Now 3 comma 6, is it belongs to 3 comma 6? Last element is there, it is also belongs to A cross B. So we can say that 1 comma 6, 2 comma 6, 3 comma 6, 1 comma 6, 2 comma 6, 3 comma 6 belongs to A cross B. It means A 1 comma 6, 2 comma 6, 3 comma 6 when we are saying about the set. So this set is belongs to A cross B. It is a subset of this. So we can say that so it is a relation. So we can say that it is a relation. Okay, it is clear students. Okay, now we are going to solve the third part of this. What is the third part? 1 comma 5. 1 comma 5 belongs to A cross B. It is clear. Third part is there. 1 comma 5 belongs to A cross B. 3 comma 4. 3 comma 4 belongs to A cross B. 3 comma 4. 3 comma 4 is also belongs to A cross B. Now 5 comma 1. 5 comma 1. 5 comma 1. 5 comma 1. 5 comma 1 is not here. So 5 comma 1 does not belongs to A cross B. And 3 comma 6. 3 comma 6 it is belongs to A cross B because it is last element. So we can say that these elements, some elements are belongs to A cross B and some elements does not belongs to A cross B. It means it is not the proper relation. So we can say that 1 comma 5, 3 comma 4, 5 comma 1, 3 comma 6 is not subset of A cross B. So we can say that so it is not a relation. So it is not a relation. So we can say that it is because, okay, don't cross it. I am saying that it is not a relation. Okay, so now we are on next question, that is the fourth part of this question. So what is the fourth part? Look at here. It is a 2 comma 4. 2 comma 4. It is the fourth part of this. 2 comma 4 belongs to A cross B. 2 comma 6 belongs to A cross B. And 3 comma 6 belongs to A cross B. And 4 comma 2 does not belongs to A cross B. So we can say that 2 comma 4, 2 comma 6, 3 comma 6, 4 comma 2 is not subset of A cross B. So it is not a relation. Okay students, now we are on fifth part. When we are saying about the A cross B, every set is the subset of itself. we remember that when we are saying about the relation, so we know that every set is the subset of itself. So we can say that it is a relation because A cross B is the subset of A cross B, because every set is the subset of itself. So it is a relation A cross B to A cross B. Okay, so students, it is clear now. This is completed the first question. Now we are going to solve the second question. What is the second question? Let's discuss what is the second question. Okay, it is completed now. So it is a basic question regarding the relations, that how can we say that given relation is a relation or not. So we have to remember that we have to find how to find the relations. We have to think about it. Okay, so now we are going to solve second question. Express the following relation in the rules form defined in N. So question number 2 is express the following relation in the rule from defined in N. Rule from defined in N. So what is the rule? Let's discuss. Question is there is the first question is 1, 3, 2, 5, 3, 7, 4, 9, and so on is here. This is the first question. And what is the second question? Second question is a 2, 3, it is a 4, 2, it is a 6, 1, and third one is 2, 1, 3, 2, and it is a 4, 3, and it is 5, 4, and it is ... and so on is given. So the relation from N to N given by the relation N to N is given by if A is the one question is given, express the following in the rules of form defined in N. So we can say 1, 3, 2, 5, 3, 7. So it is a 4, 9, x equal 1, then y equal 3, x equal 2, then y equal 5. It means we can say we are going to solve this question, first question of this. So we can say that when x equal 1, y equal 3, x equal 2, y equal 5, x equal 3, y equal 7, x equal 4, y equal 9. So look at here. Is any relation between them 3, 5, 7, 9 is in AP in terms of 3, 5, 7, 9, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 9 is in AP. So we can say that it is when we are putting 1, 2, 3, 4, so we can say that it is a value, means Tn equal A plus n minus 1 D. What is the initial value? It is a Tn equal A means it is a 3 plus n minus 1. We can say that it is a n minus 1. And what about D? D means it is a 2. So when we are saying about Tn, we can say that 3 plus 2n minus 2. So it is Tn equal 1 plus 2n. So students, we can say that when we are saying about we can say that it is a 2n plus 1. So what is the rule of this? When we are saying about Tn, we can say that it is a y. So what is the rule? When we are saying about the rule of it, we can say that rule of it is x, y. Relation is x, y where x comma y, where x y belongs to n, x y belongs to n, and y equal 1 plus 2x, y equal 1 plus 2x at 2x plus 1. We can write here 2x plus 1. So when we are having the value, this is a relation between them, means when we are putting 1, so it is 2 plus 1. When we are just going to put the value of 1, so 1, so it is a, put the value of 1, it is a 2 into 1, 2 plus 1, it is a 3. Put 2, so it is a 2 plus 2 into 2 plus 1, it is a 5. Put it here, it is a 2 into 3, so it is a 6 plus 1, it is 7. Put it here, it is a 4 into 2, 8 plus 1, it is a 9. So we can say that this rule is follow the values. So by this way we can find the value of relation. So we have to give a statement that related to this relation. Okay.